Hey, what's going on, everybody? Chris with my service area. Hope you're doing well. Wanted to jump on here and record a short video, and I'm using Growing Green Landscaping of Jeremiah Jennings, his website. He's been a customer for quite a while, and he has it set up to answer a question that we get a lot. Because, when we first started MSA, we didn't realize that in the green space, that there are businesses out there such as Jeremiah's that offer different services. Each one of those services has a different profit margin. So it only makes sense that each one of those services has their defined profitable service area. Because, if you're doing residential lawn mowing, you don't want to travel around everywhere. You don't want some huge service area, because windshield time is the silent killer of your profits. I mean, if you're traveling, 20, 30, 35 minutes between residential jobs, that's taking money out of your pocket. So MSA gives you the ability to create service areas based on the specific service that you're providing. So using Jeremiah website here, by the way, if you don't follow him, you need to go follow him. Listen to his podcast. He shares a lot of great advice and has a great show. So Jeremiah offers property maintenance, landscaping, hardscaping, irrigation, and Christmas lights. Each one of these has a different profit margin. Property maintenance, very low. Some of our customers say between 10 and 14%, where landscaping and Christmas lights and irrigation can have very high profit margins. So the way that Jeremiah has MSA set up is he's got a maintenance zone, a landscaping zone, an irrigation zone, and a Christmas light zone. So when somebody comes to his website and they click on Book Now, this is for the property maintenance zone. They come over here, they book on the Christmas lights, that's for the Christmas light zone. Or if they're on the back end, let's say they're on the phone, because not all of our customers use MSA on their website. The reason being they get a lot of their inquiries over the phone. And so it's easy for them to have the MSA map page up, type in the address, boom, it's either in or out. If you have a lot of website traffic, then it makes sense to have MSA on your website as well. Or use both, depending how big your organization is. But back to the topic at hand is you really have to be mindful and strategic if you offer multiple services with different profit margins. You really want to understand, how far will I travel, or can I travel before I lose money with a lawn maintenance job? How far am I willing to travel for a landscaping job? So I hope this answers your questions, gives you some insight in the flexibility of MSA and how you can use it really to streamline your business process and create efficiency and save time and money as well. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, share, all that stuff. I need to say it. If you have any questions, drop them below. Be sure to answer them. And we appreciate your time and support.